Welcome back, everybody, to the show. We're getting real, ladies, in here for just a second, talking about those issues that maybe you only tell your girlfriend or your mom. It's the going to the workout class or jumping on the trampoline, the incontinence that can be so frustrating, and also the sexual dysfunction. Reena is here from Enlighten Laser Cosmetics, and she has a procedure, ladies, that she says can absolutely help. It is the Geneveve treatment. Reena, what is this?
Geneveve treatment is the latest, greatest, groundbreaking, and life-changing vaginal rejuvenation treatment out there.
How does it work?
It uses radio frequency energy combined with cryogenic cooling. It's not the same as CO2. It is completely different and penetrates 10 times deeper than any other treatment out there for vaginal rejuvenation.
Okay, now I was telling you during the break that I'd heard about the CO2 laser, and that takes a couple treatments. This is different.
This is one time. This is 30 minutes, one time, non-invasive, and you can go back to regular activities after. It's amazing.
There's no downtime.
No downtime at all. You can go straight back to work, straight back to regular everything.
What are your patients telling you? Why are they coming in to have this procedure done?
Well, patients mainly report because of stress urinary incontinence. So we have a lot of patients who come in stress urinary incontinence after having children. They pee their pants when they're working out. It makes it really hard. I mean, we're talking between girls here. This does happen, right? After you have children. So we're getting people who are having issues during workouts. We're getting sexual intimacy issues. Everything that comes from lack of collagen in that vaginal tissue, we're going to treat that.
Well, and
we're
you
going to help
were
that.
Talking about, I mean, our faces, right? Other areas on our bodies with our skin, we can see it aging, and we do something about it. Lotions, creams. That area is aging at the same time.
I know, and there's so many treatments that you can do for your face, right? We're doing Botox, we're doing fillers, we're doing all of these wonderful things for our face, for our bodies, but the vaginal tissue, that's something that hasn't really been out there, and this is one of those great things out there for that vaginal tissue.
Do you instantly notice a difference, or do you see a difference over time, Reena?
So I would say over time, and that's what the clinical studies state as well. So you're going to start to notice results about 30 days after the treatment. And then because collagen takes time to build, what that collagen is doing is it's remodeling, it's reforming, it's building. So then by 90 days, you're seeing the full result.
I can't believe one treatment.
Yeah.
Like that one and done. I think ladies out there, we can wrap our heads around that, right?
Well, it makes such a difference. You don't want to have to go back for different treatments, and the other treatments aren't accomplishing what we are in one session. We're 10 times deeper than any other treatment out there.
What is the cost of something like this?
The cost right now for a limited time is 30% off. So 30% off, and we're offering free consultations. So come in, let us assess. We're customizing all of this for our patients. So we want everybody to know about this, and it's the latest, greatest everything about vaginal rejuvenation.
Not only that, you and I were just talking about this. You can, it is the end of the year, everybody. You can use your health savings.
Yes, absolutely. So this is considered a medical treatment, and we have an OBGYN, Dr. Molly Mears, that performs the treatment, which makes such a huge difference. We have an OBGYN that's performing a vaginal rejuvenation treatment. So yes, you can use your health savings, flex spending, and a lot of patients are going to want to make sure and get in just as soon as possible because they expire at the end of the year.
Well, at least make that appointment, everybody, and talk about it. If this is something that you've been frustrated with, and maybe you just decide it's okay, it's not okay. There's something you can do about it. Patients are telling you weeks later what? How are they feeling?
We have some pretty stellar reviews that we've gotten. I know that our boss has gotten some pretty amazing texts about sexual intimacy improving and stress urinary incontinence. Hey, I'm not having problems at the gym anymore, or I was able to jump on a trampoline with my children without wetting my pants.
It's the darn jumping jacks.
I
know. Get you every time.
Just the simple things, right?
The simple things, and also those things that are so important for your relationship. If this is something that you're interested in, everybody, please go to our website. We'll link you to all the information about Enlighten Laser Cosmetics. Now's a great time to see if this is for you. Go to goodforutah.com/GTU. Thank you so much.
Thanks for having me.
All right, Brian.